Hi, this is James from TED here, and I wanted to talk a little bit about our growth strategies. I'm particularly thinking about how our organization continues to look for additional strategic partners and participants. We're not only looking for partners in terms of investments, but in all areas of our business, and it's obviously acknowledgeable that the partners and people that we may be working with aren't always in the same city as us. So we need to figure out in terms of looking at our growth and in terms of adding strategic partners, how to best communicate with them. Of course, there'll be instances where we need to make formal presentations or conduct meetings from remote locations all over the world. We have people that are working at all hours of the day, working on our conferences, working on the mission of our organization, and we need to be able to have an opportunity to connect with those folks and be able to talk to them. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the formal I guess the formal and established communication tools that we use for collaboration. I'm not only giving presentations, but having meetings, working on documents, all of that. And then I can make some suggestions as to what's working well for us and what we can talk about. So as mentioned, we're TED. Ideas we're spreading. We're common for the TED Talks, which are outreach events that we do all across the country. And talking a little bit about how we do remote communication. So again, we're having meetings with different stakeholders all across the country and all across the world on various things. Some of our team members are physically present, obviously, but some are not. So figuring out how to best make sure we're on the same page, be able to work effectively while using technology. And that's in a variety of ways, from presentation tools to communication tools to document word sharing tools, all of that. So a few things that we like to use, and we've actually used in this class, is Screencast-O-Matic. So when making a presentation, when this is most likely, or we use this most of the time when we're recording a presentation for people to watch at times that are most convenient to them. Screencast-O-Matic is a really great piece of technology that's used to be able to give a PowerPoint presentation and record voiceover over it, and then you can package that up into a video file and make it viewable by anyone at any time. So Screencast is one thing that we like to use. Another thing that we found that's been really helpful is Cisco WebEx. So Cisco WebEx is a meeting management tool to be able to have meetings remotely. So people can connect in via conference call on the phone. They can connect in via a web portal on computer. And in that web portal, I don't have access to it right now to be able to log in and show you, but in that web portal, you can do document sharing, screen sharing. You can be connected to the computer and be in the same meeting with people who are connected on the phone. So it's a really approachable and flexible tool for people to be able to use. And then the last thing that we use a lot is Skype, just for plain video conferencing. And this is so, you give the feel of everyone being in the same room and being able to collaborate. And it's been really effective just to be able to have that visual aspect to our meetings and conferences. So that's a little of what we use. Again, Cisco WebEx is really our top one, along with Skype and Screencast-O-Matic. And there's obviously lots of other different tools to use as well, to being able to be physically present, to be able to promote collaboration, and to be able to make sure we get our work done.